Hello guys, this is Xylem, and today I will show you a video on Facebook how to create a Facebook page, the username. Normally, the username won't be available. It will say that username isn't available yet or something like this. So I'll show you how to fix it, and let's go. First of all, here's the page. As you will see, you have to go in the about, and there's a username. Click create page username. So I enter its Xylem. As you can see, the green tick means this username hasn't been used and it's available. So as you can see, username is not available. This page isn't eligible to have a username yet. So there's a hot fix for this. You'll have to go in the page settings, then click page roles and change this from editor to admin. If you have another Facebook account, this will become handy. I will use it on my second Facebook account. Here I will add the password, okay, and then press on submit. Nope. As you can see, there are two admins. This is me and this is my second account. Now go to your another web browser, login, and you will automatically get a notification that from my first FB has made you admin. It's Xylem. So go to the page and click on the about, and there's a username. Click create page username and enter the username you would like, and just click. So as you can see, you all set. This the username. Its Xylem has been created for its Xylem Facebook page. It's now easier for people to find your page in search. So here we go. So this is how it is done. You're all set. Wow, it's good. And here's the link, like for my page. So if I go here and then just drag, copy and paste it, boom, automatically redirect me to my page, and you can see it's Xylem. So, like page, I will invite some friends. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is how you fix the Facebook doesn't allow to create a username on your page yet. So you'll have to create another Facebook account or make a friend admin, and then afterwards tell them to do the rest. And you can also remove them from admin to editor, extra. You can depromote them. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helps you, please like and share, subscribe. On my next video, sorry, I will do a giveaway, free modded accounts. I will mod the account in 9 games, that is in GTA 5, Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, Black Ops 3, Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3, Call of Duty Ghost, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, World at War, and Yep. So if you really care about it, you you might be the lucky winner. So please subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.